Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to check your region on Facebook. With the platform constantly updating and changing, it's important to stay informed on how to navigate these changes. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to check and update your region on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile photo located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, click on the pencil icon in the upper right area of the screen. This will allow you to edit your profile information. Now, tap on the Edit button next to the Details section. This will bring up a menu where you can make changes to your profile information. In the Current City section, edit your city by replacing it with your new location. If you don't have a city set, tap on Add Current City instead. You can choose who can see your city information. By default, it is set to public, but you can adjust this to only be visible to certain people if you prefer. Finally, tap on the Save button to confirm the changes you have made to your region on Facebook. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to check and update your region on Facebook. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms. Thanks for watching.